Hi students, good morning. In your last session, there is a topic, input topic. We had to discuss about that input topic, and in that topic, basically input we have categorized into two types. One is human data entry type. You have remembered that data entry type, and another kind is that is source data entry type. In your previous session we have discussed it that human data entry type and a source data entry type. Under human data entry type we have discussed keyboard and mouse, and some type of joysticks, trackballs come under this category, human data entry type. I already told you that in human data entry type the user has the maximum roles for inserting the data into the computer. Without human intervention or without human interaction, data insertion or feeding the data into the computer is not possible in case of human data entry type. But in case of source data entry type, data is inserted into the computer as a form of a document. In this case, there is less or no intervention of the human being. Means data is inserted into the computer from a paper document. You can say under this category, computer accepts the data as paper document. So this kind of discussion we will discuss such type of topics today. Our main topic is based on the source data entry type, and under the source data entry type, students, most popular is that scanner. Scanner is a input device which is based on source data entry type. That is the scanner. Okay. What is scanner? Students, I already told you that scanner is a source data entry type input device. Scanner is a input device which takes the paper document directly. For feeding the data into the computer, there is no need of a copying and typing the data. But in case of keyboard, we type the data, we press the keys on the keyboards, and the typing and the copying, we inserted the data into the computer system. But in case of scanner, data can be inserted directly. The data, or you can say the paper document, is accepted by the scanner directly, and it doesn't need any type of typing and copying the documents. That's why its name is source data entry type input devices. Data is inserted into computer direct from the data source. Data, what is the data source? Data source here is a image, it can be image or a paper document, some types of text, letters, words, whatever may be. This kind of data are available in a paper which is known as the data source, and from the data source the scanner accepts the data directly, and scanner accepts data as a light form, and it translates into the bitmap image. It means that scanner takes the document, scanner takes the or accepts the paper document as the light form and translates into or converts into bitmap image, and that bitmap image is the grid of some dots, collection of dots, that the bitmap image. Bitmap image, that's the stand for binary image. It's the mapping of some dots to create a image which is understood by the computer, and computer can understand only the binary language. You already know that. The image which is understandable by the computer is the bitmap image, and that image is the grid of some dots. That dots, that collection of dots is called as the resolutions. The quality of the image increase when you increase the number of resolutions. Okay, number of dots or pixels, you can say. This is the resolutions. The scanner scans the document, accepts the image, accepts the document, and translates into bitmap image, creates a bitmap image at the form of the light. Okay, it is the, you can say it is the electronic form of the paper document. You can say that's the scanner. And a scanner, there are different kind of scanners are available, like handhold scanner, flatbed scanner, drum scanner. This kind of scanners are available. Basically, we will discuss on some kind of optical scanners. Okay, that optical means, the optical scanner means optical concepts comes when you discuss about the lights. The scanner is an input device which accepts the document as the form of the light. That's why it's known as the optical scanner. And under this optical scanner, we will read OCR, OMI, and MICR. Students, OCR stands for optical character recognition. OCR stands for optical character recognition. Okay, the optical character recognitions. The optical character recognition, it is one type of scanner which is used to scans the document, or to accept the document. And optical character reader uses optical character recognition uses optical character reader. Okay, this type of scanner, OCR scanner, OCR stands for optical character recognitions, and this type of scanner uses the optical character reader to read the document. And here the work of optical character reader is that optical character reader recognize the letters or text, whatever may be on the text, on the document. And here optical character reader accepts your document. There is a machine, scanner machines, you insert that document into the machine. Here I draw a picture. Suppose here is the document, this is the document, we inserted into document into a machine, that is OCR scanner machine. Okay, this is scanner machine. I mean, scanner, just this is a scanner machine is here, and a scanner machine, this under this you can find there is a optical character reader which converts this document into bitmap image. Okay, that bitmap image is converted by OCR, optical character recognition, into the ASCII code, ASCII text. Here questions arise, what is ASCII? Okay, so the procedure, the workflow of optical character recognition is that you insert the document into the machine, and under that scanner there is a reader, that name is optical character reader. That reader accepts your document and converts into the bitmap image. And what is the bitmap image? Bitmap image is just a grid of dots. जते अधिक डट्स रहिबो सेते इमेज रो क्वालिटी बेटर रहिबो. दैट्स द रिजोल्यूशन हम कहउछंती. The bitmap image is the grid of some dots. Thus here OCR reader converts your image into bitmap image, and bitmap image is converted to, it is translated into the ASCII text by the OCR character reader or recognizes. Here questions arise, what is ASCII text? ASCII text means this is American standard code for information interchange. Look at, I repeat it, American standard code for information interchange. Students, you already knew that machine can understand only the binary language, and binary language is the collection of only zeros and ones. Clear? So here ASCII text, ASCII code means it is some collection of some numbers, specific numbers, which is used as the via when you translate your character into the binary. I give you one example here. Suppose it's the letter, and here this is the binary code. Binary code. Okay. And now there is a media that is ASCII code. ASCII code. This media is ASCII code. Students, I write here A, capital A. Capital A is not directly understood by the computer. So that's why capital A should be translated into the binary code. Okay? And for this purpose, there is a number, that number is 065. So for particular A, there is a number 065. This 065 is the ASCII code. 065 is not understood by the machine, but machine can understand only 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And this 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, this is the binary code, and this is for 65. Look at, I will convert this into the 65. Okay? ताले 0 into एटी गणिबा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ताले 2 to the power 7 आमे लिखिबा प्लस 1 into 2 to the power 6 लिखिबा प्लस 0 into 2 to the power 5 प्लस 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into plus last one is 1 into 2 to the power 0. देखो फास्ट थिला 0 0 रखिछि नेक्स्ट 1 तापर आमे केतरा 0 दैछन गोटे दुईटा तीनटा चारटा पांचटा गोटे दुईटा तीनटा चारटा पांचटा 0 देले लास्ट वन इज द 1 या को कन्वर्ट जता हम करू जे छुआ जानि छिवो 0 एठी ऐड हिज माने 0 मल्टीप्लाई हिट माने ये 0 आसीगला एठी 1 2 to the power 6 2 to the power 6 तमे पाइबो केते 1 into 64 2 दुने 4 दुने 8 दुने 16 दुने 32 दुने 64 ताले 2 रो जता पावर 2 6 आस्ते 2 to the power 6 और 2 रो घात जता 6 पाउचंदी ताकू आमे पाइ जतन 64 ताले एठी मल्टीप्लाई केते हिच 1 ताले 1 into 64 प्लस एठी तुम पाई गला 0 प्लस 0 प्लस 0 प्लस 0 प्लस 0 लास्ट वन प्लस 1 into 2 to the power 0 is what? That is the 1. तुम जानी छो एनी नंबर x to the power 0 equal to 1 जेकोसी नंबर घात जदि आम 0 दौरान से पाई 1 तो लास्ट वन इज 2 to the power 0 equal to 1 ताकू जदि आम ऐड कर देख छुआ 64 plus 1 equal to 65 and this 65 is the ASCII code. So here machine cannot understand the A directly and we have to convert into a number, and that this is the decimal number. Students, this is decimal number, and this decimal number is converted into the binary code, and this is the ASCII code. This is the binary code, this is ASCII code. So जेकोसी आम क्यारेक्टर जेकोसी क्यारेक्टर आम लेटर्स जेकोसी अल्फाबेट्स कम पार ए टू डे स्मॉल ए भी से आस स्मॉल एटा प्राय तुम स्टार्ट हो जाऊँ कौटू 97 प्राय स्टार्ट हो जाऊँ स्मॉल ए ए स्मॉल एटा 097 रू स्टार्ट हो कि ताले ये एठी ए हला 065 कैपिटल बी जो 066 कैपिटल सी जो 067 ये भाई भाव में इनक्रीज कर चलो एवं स्मॉल एटा तुम आसी हो 097 प्राय आसीज तो दिस इज द आस्की कोड बर्तमान ये कौन करुच्ची जस्ट बिटमैप इमेज कन्वर्ट होची आस्की टेस्ट रे बाय द ओसीआर तो ओसीआर ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रीडर कन्वर्ट्स द बिटमैप इमेज इनटू द ASCII test and this ASCII test is further converted into the machine level language, that's the binary code which is understandable by the machine. But here optical character reader, the work of optical character reader is to convert your plain text into the bitmap image, your plain image into the bitmap image, and bitmap image is converted into the ASCII test. तो जेकोसी आम मार्क गोटे दे पारिया जेकोसी गोटे मार्क दियो जेकोसी कैरेक्टर दियो बा तुम लेटर्स जेकोसी लेटर्स दियो सबुटार आम आस्की कोड अच्छी ओके एंड दैट्स आस्की कोड को कन्वर्ट कर सारा पर कंप्यूटर पाई सेटा गोटे डाटा रूप में ट्रीट हो पारियो एंड कंप्यूटर कैन एक्सेप्ट सच टाइप ऑफ इमेज एज कंप्यूटर कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके तो हियर स्कैनर first one is the optical character recognition scanner. Optical character recognition scanner uses the optical character reader, okay, and the optical character reader is responsible to recognize a particular text or particular character from the document, and the optical character reader accepts that document and converts into the bitmap image, and bitmap image is the grid of some dots, and that the bitmap image is not directly editable. You cannot edit such type of scanned image. Okay, to edit such type of scanned image, you need a software. That software is OCR software, optical character reader software. Okay, this OCR software is used to edit the text. And at the time of when you edit the text, when you edit the scanned image, at that time OCR software converts the bitmap image into the text which is interpreted by the computer as letters or some words. Okay, तो जो वर्कफ्लो रे आमे ताको ASCII टेस्ट कन्वर्ट करते आम जो एडिट करने चाहते से यार रिभर्स वर्कफ्लो गोटे हम रिभर्स वर्कफ्लो है आम देखिए एडिट कर पारिया दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड ए सॉफ्टवेयर दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इज ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रीडर सॉफ्टवेयर दैट द OCR सॉफ्टवेयर टू एडिट द स्कैन्ड इमेज वी नीड ए particular software that the OCR software converts bitmap image into the plain text or plain image which is interpreted by the computer as letters or words बोले आम कही परिया तो after that we can edit our scanned document without the OCR software. We cannot edit, we cannot modify, or we cannot update, we cannot do any type of changes on the scanned image. To do some type of changes on the scanned image, we need that type of software, that is the OCR software. Okay, so here workflow is like this. The main topic आमे कौन पाइले the OCR character recognition needs a OCR character reader. Okay, next topic comes under the OMR. Students, OMR stands for optical mark recognition. This is character recognition, this is mark recognition. ये बाबर तुम फेमिलियर थी जे पूर्वर मैट्रिक पिला कौन गोटे OMR पैटर्न परीक्षा दूसरे कि 50 मार्क्स थिला OMR परीक्षा आम कहते OMR पैटर्न अच्छी दैट द ऑप्टिकल मार्क रिकॉग्निशन. ऑप्टिकल मार्क रिकॉग्निशन is a scanner which is used to detect particular mark. Okay, गोटे प्लेन टेक्स्ट गोटे डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाई सेठी गोटे लिभाऊे OMR सीट केमी थाए देयर इज ए डॉक्यूमेंट, देयर इज अ सीट लाइक दिस पेपर डॉक्यूमेंट, एंड हियर सम circles you can find some circles. In multiple choice questions, you find some circles like this. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Okay. गोटे क्वेश्चन ले चारिटी ऑप्शन अच्छी ए बी सी डी. सपोज तुम भावुच सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर तो आम कौन करूँ ये गोटे पेनसिल ताको डार्केन करूँ. क्लीयर. ये गोटे मार्क देले यही मार्क को रेकग्नाइज करने गोटे स्कैनर दरकार. दैट स्कैनर इज द OMR. क्लीयर. तो OMR बा ऑप्टिकल मार्क recognition uses the optical mark reader to recognize a particular mark on the document. To recognize the particular mark on the document, the OMR reader depends on the darkness on the document. It means that some beam of lights, by shining the beam of lights on the document, some part of the document or darkened area reflect the low light as compared to unmarked area. ये गोटे को unmarked area रखा है इटा किसी मार्क दिया जाए नहीं. That as compared to this unmarked area, the darkened area reflects the low light. On the basis of contrasting reflectivity, the optical mark reader is able to recognize the particular mark on the document. Clear? So the contrasting the reflectivity, there are two types of reflectivity you can find here. One, the low reflection and a high reflection. When light reflects the low light, it will be differ from the light which is reflected from the unmarked area. जोटा का में darken करिले, that part reflects the low light. On the basis of that, light reflectivity or contrasting light reflectivity, the optical mark reader is able to detect a particular mark on the document. That's why here optical mark reader, based on the it is able to detect a particular mark based on the reflection of the light, you can say. The optical mark reader is basically used in your exam, in your answer sheets. You can find such type of documents. In that documents, you have to darken your HB pencil, you have to darken the particular circle. Clear? That is the OMR. The optical mark reader ऊपर आमे गले. Then MICR stands for magnetic ink character recognition. पहले दिस टाइप ऑफ MICR कोड आम कौट पाती ना जो बैंक चेक थाए ना बैंक चेक रे और द बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ द बैंक चेक वी कैन फाइंड सच टाइप ऑफ MICR कोड. किसी गोटे लेटर्स लिखाई थाए, किसी गोटे नंबर्स लिखाई थाए. जो बैंक चेक रे आमे तले गोटे प्रकार नंबर लिखाई थाए. दैट नंबर इज रिटन ए पर्टिकुलर इंक एंड दैट इंक contains some iron particles. जो इंक रे लिखाई थाए on the bottom part of your check, some type of numbers you can find. That number is written in a particular ink. That ink contains some iron particles, and that number is magnetized by the MICR scanner. The MICR scanner is able to assess such type of numbers on the basis on that particular ink. And this MICR uses MICR reader. MICR reader is responsible to recognize the number MICR number. In the MICR number, there are 9 sections. There are 9 digits are there. 9 digits. First 3 digits is based on the postal code. this is the postal code. First 3 digits is the your postal code. Next 3 digit is bank code. Next 3 digits your branch code, bank branch code. ये तीनटा कथा आम पाती जो MICR कोड थाए चेक रे से 3टा सेक्शन थाए. फर्स्ट 3 digits, there are 9 digits in that number. First 3 digits indicates your the postal code. Thus the middle 3 digits indicates the bank code which is provided by the Reserve Bank of India to the particular bank, and last 3 digits is the last 3 digits indicates the bank branch code. Okay, so MICR is used कोथ में हमें MICR यूज करिया. तो MICR is used to process large volume of checks at a time. To process a large volume of गुड़ाए चेक को प्रोसेसिंग करबा पई आमे MICR यूज करछंती. MICR code is used to process a large volume of checks for money transactions on the paper based money transaction, paper based payment पाई आमे MICR यूज करछंती. That MICR magnetic ink character recognition use the MICR reader. That reader is responsible to detect or to responsible to read the particular numbers, and that number is written in a particular ink. That ink is magnetized because this ink is the collection of some iron particle. किसी iron particle से ink रे था. And when you pass a document to the MICR scanner, at that time that document is accepted by the MICR reader, and MICR reader reads MICR reader reads that documents after on the basis of that ink, and it magnetizes that numbers, and it is able to convert that numbers into the machine code. Clear? So there are 3 types of scanners we will discuss. We have discussed the 3 types of scanners: OCR scanner, OMR scanner, and MICR scanner. Another type of scanner is barcode scanner. Barcode scanner. Clear? तो one by one आमे तुमको नोट दूची लेखि नब. एठी तो बुझिलो गोटे लेटर हाउ इज लेटर इज कन्वर्टेड टू द बाइनरी कोड भाया ASCII कोड. ASCII कोड कहले कौन पर्टिकुलर गोटे आमे कौन करछे गोटे पर्टिकुलर नंबर को बुझाउछन्ती. जेकोसी कैरेक्टर पाई गोटे स्पेसिफिक नंबर अलॉट कराइछि. दैट इज द अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज पाई रहिछि. पर्टिकुलर दिस नंबर 065 इज द ASCII कोड ऑफ कैपिटल A, and 01000001 is the binary code for capital A, and that's ASCII code is 065. So one by one we are notes दोची. The scanner. Scanner is an input device which accepts the paper document as its input. Clear? Second part is scanner takes the source document directly without without copying and typing the input data. Scanner accepts source document as form of light, which is an electronic form. Scanner accepts the input image and converts it into bitmap image. Clear? Next, आज तुम परीक्षा अच्छी जो गतकाली जहाँ दिखाई पूर्व दिखाई कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाई गोटे पीडीएफ टे तारी ऊपर बेसिकली क्वेश्चन किसी पाइज आ जहाँ जमी मुझे पढ़े से गुड़ा यही टाइप मु नोट देती से नोट रु बा वीडियो तुम सब क्वेश्चन आंसर गुड़ सब गुड़ पाइज जहाँ पढ़ाई तार भर ही अच्छी हाँ तेणु मुझे लिखुची से लेखाटा को लेकिन तुम नोट तैयारी कर तुम जब इमिदी वीडियो फॉर्म रे रखीदेव तुमपाई असुविधा हम हाँ तेणु आज से नोट ही पढ़ो सहीटार ही तुम क्वेश्चन पाइज। नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज देयर आर different type of scanners, different types of scanners that is image scanner, ये पार्ट नवा ना अदरवाइज आम नहीं जा ये हैंड होल्ड स्कैनर, फ्लैट बेड स्कैनर, ड्रम स्कैनर, इट ये गोटे पार्ट रे आम कैटेगराइज कले। Another type of some examples of बस आम लिखिपर दे परिया scanners are available as image scanner, OCR, OMR, MICR, barcode reader कोटा जेकोसी तुम जिनस किणले ये सब इमिदी गार सब पड़ो तुम देख बिस्कुटे किण कुरकुरे किण जहाँ तुम किण यहीटा को गोटे बारकोड दिखाई था ना कि या पर गोटे लाइट पास करा जाए यार से लाइट ये जो बारकोड तार विभिन्न तार विड्थ अनुजाई डिफरेंट होता है गोटे बार आउ गोटे बार भितर ता विड्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे से डिफरेंशिएट थाए एवं ये बार कौन करे ना से जो आइटमटा किनल आइटम टाइप दब तब सपोज बिस्कुटे किणुच से लिखाई आइटम टाइप्स देला बिस्कुटे लिखाई तार प्राइस लिखाई डेट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग देइथिबो डिटेल्स इनफॉरमेशन इज देयर एंड टू रीड सच टाइप ऑफ बार वी नीड ए बारकोड रीडर इट इज वन टाइप ऑफ स्कैनर ओके ता विषय में हम डिटेल्स जीवा The scanners are available as image scanner, OCR, OMR, MICR and barcode reader. Okay? This is scanner one by one jiba आम OCR ऊपर नोट दो काली रुदानंद सर जोटा पठे फंडामेंटाल कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटाल तापर तुम पाखापाखि 10-15 टी क्वेश्चन पाइज से फंडामेंटाल देन आम टॉपिक रहा OCR ओके फर्स्ट वन OCR stands for optical character recognition it by OCR optical character reader is used to recognize the document, to recognize the character, to recognize the character. OCR reader accepts the document and translates it to or converts it to converts it into bitmap image which is generally not editable गत क्लास रे पिला किसी कंप्लेन करथिले जे छोट छोट लेखा हो देखाओनी तेणु मु आज लेखुची टिके आ कौन कहते मु प्रत्येक वर्ड को प्रोनाउंस करुच्ची ओके मो प्रोनाउंसिएशन ले तुम्हें जापर को वर्डटा मुझे कहूँ तुम से नोट करने इजी हो तो OCR reader accepts the document and converts it into bitmap image which is generally not editable. To edit scanned document we need OCR software. OCR software recognize the character, recognize recognize the bitmap image, as compared to recognize the bitmap image on the basis of basis of basis of a comparison between scanned comparison between pattern of the image scanned image with क्या सहित कंपेयर करियो स्कैन्ड इमेज पैटर्न सहित with stored pattern inside the computer भीतर गोटे stored pattern अच्छे से pattern सहित कंपेयर करी देखियो pattern inside the computer okay here the bitmap image को कन्वर्ट करछि OCR रीडर एंड से जो इमेज टाको जनरली आम एडिट करि परिबा नाही तो एडिट करिया पई आम पर्टिकुलर गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर चाहूँ दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इज द OCR सॉफ्टवेयर recognize the bitmap image on the basis of a comparison between pattern of the scanned image with stored pattern inside the computer. Okay, next part is workflow of OCR. आम ए कौन करवा ना प्रथमे तार वर्कफ्लो देखा प्रथमे आम कौन करदे डॉक्यूमेंट देले डॉक्यूमेंट को इंसर्ट कले क्या भर को गोटे मेसीन भर को दैट इज स्कैनर है मेसीन एठी आसला किए तुम OCR रीडर कन्वर्ट कर बिटमैप इमेज रे बिटमैप इमेज कन्वर्ट हो गला देन ये कन्वर्ट जाऊँगी कोटी OCR ऊपर को OCR गला देन ASCII टेस्ट कन्वर्ट होची दैट ASCII टेस्ट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू बाइनरी एंड बाइनरी इज अंडरस्टूड बाय द machine. This is the generally workflow of OCR. Then our topic is about OMR. That is OMR. Yes. OMR stands for optical mark reader. Optical mark recognition. Okay. Recognition. It uses the लिखिपर ये OMR रीडर ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर है लिखिपर ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर is used to recognize the marks. OMR is used to detect the mark, marks are detected on the basis of darkness, the basis of darkness. Optical mark reader is able to recognize the darken mark, recognize the mark which reflects the low light as compared to its surrounding surface. By shining a beam of light on the document, on the source document. So source form लिख पारिया document और form लिख पारिया source form मैं better document लिखिए तो हम लिखेंगे source document. By shining a beam of source document over my reader is able to detect the mark, darken mark, detect the darken mark because the darken mark reflects the low light. Basically OMR is based on, by OMR recognize the mark based on contrasting reflectivity. Contrasting reflectivity जोटा कि आम गोटे लो रिफ्लेक्शन होचे आ गोटे हाई रिफ्लेक्शन होचे हाई रिफ्लेक्शन. ये गला OMR ऊपर ये सब बुझे देछि तुमको. देन आवर टॉपिक इज MICR. MI here. MI here stands for magnetic ink character recognition. Character recognition. MI here scanner uses the MI here reader बा आम कहीपर मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रीडर बोली कहीपर MI शेयर रीडर बोली कहीपर MI शेयर स्कैनर यूजेस द MI शेयर रीडर टू recognize the number, to recognize specific number which is specific number on bank check. MI share is used. MI share is used to pass, but to process large scale of bank check. On the bottom of the bank, on the bottom of a check, there is a number which is written, which is human readable and written particular written with a special ink which contain contains some iron particle. MI share is magnetized. This number is magnetized एटा केवल से वीडियो रे रखिदबनी छुआ एटा तो नोट को उठेब last point, when a check is passed through MICR scanner. When a check is passed through MICR scanner, the MICR reader magnetized write the MICR code मैं MICR हम फील्ड के बिना कोड दबा फील्ड के बिना मैग्नेटाइज द MICR field and reads to recognize that number. And that number, that's all, that number. This is all about your scanner. Okay, the scanner ମୁଁ ତ କହିଲି it is one type of source data entry type input devices, and this is optical because it is based on the lights form. Okay, and under this scanner we discussed about the OCR, OMR and MICR. OCR is the optical character reader and OMR is the optical mark. OCR is the optical character recognition and OMR is the optical mark recognition, and MICR is the magnetic ink character recognitions. Further we will discuss about barcode reader. For today's session it's all. Thank you.